Aha, attention TV esuma wakwaba ede ebasonsem ayekoso Ghana memu ha say asaso agentra ha ewo Ghana montino so social media so ana medebe so mo ene ewu na Owusu Bempah ede se ba komenu bi abeto abonten ede afa ono ene Agradaa court case ekoso ewo Ghana memu ha say na ensem ne pan de audio leak na wo kirema ewe na Owusu Bempah ne voice ana erane se pipe flow no abusia for yenko tie ene no embra
edo musuko emi ehunu sese wo nifo now there are some lawyers there
where asem asofo Owusu Bempah Case obi na kan sa asem ne kire no nya asofo Owusu Bempah na kan sa wo se lawyers bi ana kan sa asem ne yedai e kire no yenko so.
And they told me that now that thing which happened last year, they have investigated the matter themselves and they realized that the man of God was not at fault.
Ba ku se nyame nipa me di akire ewurawura mu kwa akire pa.
One of them said to me that
baby a unya duru hono mu a untimi ntra bi.
Me tie said the asofo Owusu Bempah Case dia I stand to be corrected. And you ask me yehunu say ase oni evangelist mama party case no ade ye free court wana ye twemu na asem ye anya ni wo court wana because the work kasa ndie it insinuating say ase asem ye free court asem ye twem ase o madi asem na wie ama na di nkunim the way all kasa no se nte saade a ene na lawyers ko a ene di san komo no asofo Owusu Bempah has not been fair to them say ebia omo your friend omo your friend lawyers na ebia omo ka sem bi say to make you happy na u preach Sunday I was sorry them na de be gina sorry them na unim say assembly da so court what does it mean? I don't know where you are heading towards to. Say the assembly we dey fine but assembly da so court the ene aja Bempah na ehun yin say en command sa top lawyers na wona wo ka say o me ni uti ye no na nu kwan say wo di preach Sunday I was sorry them say assembly ye free court anase ye twam anase bia judge emra no abu pem say what the pem dia ene wo kan we say ya we right so betimi akan but assembly da so court wa papa ne nu kwan say wo kan wa sorry there ne nu kwan say wo kan say mo say I hope say next time bia no obi ni udin komo foforo bia a favor will say ya you won't put it out there whilst your case is still in court pending.
One of them said to me that man of God, I followed the matter, I went deep, I followed it to the last point.
Ahona ba ku bi ebie na no ka asem bi o se nyame nipa we dey mesrew fa MPP for boni chew.
Now one of them said to me, man of God, forgive NPP.
And
nyame nipa fa MPP for boni chew. What does it mean? My confused kakra say aja Bempah betima ba out to a church sa na sem we o kan mu no adan na o ka say fa MPP boni che no MPP why I don't get it.
I can't say
And I said to that person,
many MPP for any problem.
I don't have any problem with NPP.
Many individuals been a problem,
But I have
individuals.
I have some
NPP.
I have an issue with certain individuals in the party.
Okay, clear over here. Also, only MPP for any problem, but only certain individuals and our problem. I want MPP party. Okay, yeah, okay.
Me or how? Let me tell you, Etiagana man penny.
I said
I can't plan man fancy.
I said to them that I have.
Oh, okay. Now say in other words, you know, anybody who is only MPP for a problem, which technically anybody na say no can right, but Owusu Bempah is trying to be smart here. I say only MPP for a problem. God to say only MPP for any problem, but only president and no problem. President party Bernard in the by MPP, right? And I say one leader of the MPP. So MPP for Nanado BBO I see MPP abang. And technically only MPP for a problem. Yeah. I stand to be corrected though.
I'm offense in my heart about the president. And I said again that I am offended in Dampari.
Emubi Case papa unim say ne a wo bo ne din no ennam yeso ena otimi nya ba bia onya ene ne baby oduru.
Now, one of them said to me that, man of God,
I say haya no bae, haya ne decide ye.
One of them said to the man of God, you know that the name you mentioned, it was through us that he got what he got. He came to us and we took the decision from here.
Always saying and how
said, man of God, don't worry. We know
because yenim near ekosu nyina ede ba de na ekoso ede na ekoso papa to aso nenko
happened. We know all that happened.
Na ye de so say uni yaudie bia e de ma NPP
that I did not have any offense against NPP as a party.
I'm saying me ni yaudie bia ma NPP me ni yaudie bia ma NDC. But nipa me no problem Ghana man penny na Akufo Addo on the
wow Agaba pass on Ghana man penny e problem why adentia e dey bad na Addo dan see dan e dey bad no why
no problem although me birthday no frame me but still me no problem
Agaba pa a o ye nyame nipa say woni na Addo dan kwa Nanado Dankwa a problem. The president of the land a problem. But Nanado who say what no problem or forgetting Nanado who say ni birthday do Nanado don't need any problem because maybe no be a problem and the birthday time and conquer freno. Enti Nanado the only so Agaba Bempah no problem. Ana Nanado akwa freno on the birthday. Ana Agaba Bempah Gina sorry them Sunday all preach say.
Siri not available.
Upon problem one who ni say one president woni nyina no president yabu ni egu nasum ama ni birthday wa baba freno meaning president ni problem obia o but Agaba Bempah gina sorry dem preach Sunday say chinchina tia one na Nanado Dankwa our problem na say me ti ase a Agaba Bempah nte forgiveness yase ana so for Owusu Bempah aya forgiveness aya fache honhom ayade bia wabo na adwene process ade ne yade bia enya de obefa bi ne onfa bi kina na ne trosem Case ye ne enuanom ntam nya baako sa trosem ne quotation ne hye no Agaba Bempah na adwene say sa de no onfa nya dwuma dana enti sa preaching a o preachi sa na sorry baby ni obi ya aka e wo fi a wotim e wo ni krom e wo bro no oteso a ade be adwene ebeto nipa kro ni tirim obetime dia chero because so far all di nanim na da chien kwama watime ko heaven on na chere ko obetime dia ko heaven no wonne bone fache honhom no eninimu ono obi aka o prim na koma say woni nipa ne nkasa da ana ogina so dem na ode sen ya preachi ade a kira sore ma kwasi ade du anopa omudi mirika dware ekwa sore si ye kwa kotie nkwagesem so for say president ya de bone onfa nche ne ne onfa nche ne china adentia get to us.
I told them me catch them.
I said I was not very happy with the president. I don't have anything
because
against NPP or MPP.
And you say me can me deal out.
There is so much pain and offense in me.
Minkum nipa. Ni etimi de me kwato cells because of obi didi matem.
I had me say na some no ntitu was na tie ne ye. Agaba Bempah se oni awu. Onkwaya hwe na ye chi ne kokoto cells ade ne bo empam. Yantu aso.
Ohene Case ya fra me se memra ni ensiesie asem no na me pani ate se me mabra me ho ase. Say na e setup.
There we go. I had me say na me pese wutie ne ye. Fighters na mo Facebook na mo koma sofo Owusu Bempah no. This is where the sense is coming from. Osi oni ewu. Onya bibia. Ana ya chino agu the handcuff ade na bomb pa ho. Ono ne tini ba bi no Ohene Case bi frɛ ne sɛ omra na common settle peace. Ana obi frɛ no sɛ omra na common settle. Sometimes I don't get it.
Ohene Case ya fra me se memra ni ensiesie asem no na me pani ate se me mabra me ho ase. Say na e setup.
So for Owusu Bempah say Ohene Case ya fra ne se omra no mu ensiesie asem no. Ohene Case ya ni anya bia ni palace. Aye oba bi fia na wa modin entimi so me modin ha. na mibusa se anya bia Wegya junction Wegya junction here no ni palace ebena na Agradaa fie aya na Agradaa fie orum na ye Wegya junction here ni palace ya na anya bia na Agradaa fie aya hemfie won kran hono ba bi ya wo hene bi afie ana
ayo na Owusu Bempah ene ana ekote de ebaye no mamenka wo se ha attention TV eso Coʊrt University Foundation ana samasna maybe jumede ebesomo ewo attention TV so me ma money tia money hwe